Okay, deploying the first Horizon 8 connection server. Let's get started. I will run it. Do you have question that how much time it will take? Not more than 15 minutes. Next. Depends on the processor and your server speed. Next. What you have to select over here: Horizon standard server, Horizon replica server, or Horizon enrollment server. In theory part, we are going to cover all these things, why we are choosing a standard server, why we are choosing replica, and why is the enrollment server, what three all option is there. Okay, so right now we are selecting standard server. Say next. And one thing, okay, it's supposed to be come up: unable to detect network data with static IP. Your server should have the static IP to install the Horizon connection server, like Active Directory. So we can put a static IP address to this server. I'll open it, go to properties, and this one, use. Oh, let me know what is the current IP address of this machine. Okay, this one. Okay, okay. Next. Next. Do you have question here? Like, can I change the directory? Of course, you can choose the directory. Yes. Next, next. The GUI mode is very easy. Next, next, next. Okay. Password. That is mandate one. Configure Windows Firewall automatic. Do that. Do not configure Windows Firewall. Do not select that. Do configure Windows Firewall automatic. So required port which needs to be open, that is opened by this application. We really don't have to go and do this manual work. So do it. First option, configure Windows Firewall automatic. Say next. Authorize specific domain user or domain group. This is my admin ID, so I can use this one. Say next. I really don't want to join this Omnisa customer experience. Say next. Next. General. Yeah, of course, general. Because we are not going to connect this Omnisa Horizon console to AWS, Dell EMC, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud. We are going to install in local. Say next. Installation is completed. I really don't want to see this document part. I just click and check finish. How you confirm that the installation is succeeded? Open the Horizon console. Start without, confirm, continue, continue without Google data, confirm, and advanced, continue. This admin 123. I'm in. Okay, let's see you next video. Thank you very much for watching this.